Motherfucker. Let's get no sleep, no dreams on. 24/7. Hey.
I told her, came from the block where they know a nigga. You talking money now, I'm balling like a Kobe. Goes a nigga 40 with a 40, nigga hit a fucking vulture, nigga toast a nigga. Roast a nigga pulling up and Texas roasters, nigga. Now we getting money and your whole lifestyle is over, nigga. I've been grinding, been shining, I've been rhyming, perfect timing. If a nigga find him, then we climbing with the ladder. And I swear that they piss me off like my bladder. You probably want the shatter, I probably the pitter patter. Send me out and hit your face. Probably get a case. If a nigga want war, nigga run up in your place, nigga knocking at your door, and then we popping off the floor. Stocking on my face, then we popping at your whore. Fuck these niggas if they really want to mop it up like chores. Really want beef, then we popping at your whore. Getting money galore, you niggas know what I'm for. Running into your crib, I probably put on the floor everything, nigga. Pulling off and then let it ring, nigga. Hit your team, nigga. I probably you get your bean hit up. See, this is off the top, I'm getting niggas. Flipping niggas, I'm getting figures, I get it quicker. What you figure? Niggas pulling string like Geppetto. Feeling like you Pinocchio, pull a thing like the metal. I'm like a rebel, you niggas can never settle. I'm fucking around with these niggas, it's like a deal with the devil. You niggas burning in hell, niggas fucking with shells. You niggas always gonna tell you niggas is head and tails. Your bitch will do head and tails. What you tell? Niggas getting that weed, I'm hitting louder than hell. Fuck around and get you popped. Niggas know what I got, I'm talking about hella guap. You niggas talk to the cops, stop. You don't wanna mess with how the best shit, nigga, get your death hit, bang to your flesh rip. You don't know the best shit. I invest in more money and weapons, niggas getting you stretched with. All I know is that money flow. Niggas is talking about them bricks, I let them know, let them go, let them know I'm hitting them head to toe. Probably if you really wanna let it go, then I turn the brains into ragu. Niggas flash through. If a nigga talk, then you nuts like cashew. Act true. Ever wanted to talk? Niggas wanted to walk. Them niggas ain't got no heart. I'm feeling like Wizard of Oz. Niggas needing the courage. All I need is that money. My niggas gon' probably burn shit. Drive through. Them niggas gon' have to turn shit. Feeling like Dick Debo when they turn shit. Niggas ain't concerned with more money in politics. Niggas, I burn splits. Get high all day and then I'm faded. Talking about this money, the niggas bring up the greatest. They probably bring my name up in every statement. These niggas won't walk, leaving them in the basement. Family y'all adjacent. Shit niggas like Jason. Mask on, trick or treat time when I face it. And I'm feeling like I'm Freddy. I'm hoping these niggas ready. I turn this red into sketty. Niggas know what to do. I'm hoping this thing heavy. Running all through my city, my hand gripping that desi. You niggas pussy, I'm pushing it like I'm petty. Racing all through the lanes. You niggas know what I mean. Y'all niggas can't maintain by any means. I'ma gain all this money that I'm getting. I'm feeling I should obtain. Fucking what niggas gain. Niggas fuck up your game. You niggas talking all that bullshit, but niggas lame. I was really dealing cane. I was really getting cases. Really getting niggas in the fence. What you taking? These niggas